Indian authorities have imposed a night curfew in the Samba districts for 2 months, affecting areas within 2 kilometers of the border. This is reportedly to assist the border security force with the operations, separately in the preparation for India's Independence Day on August 15. Strict restrictions and surveillance measures, including drones and CCTVs, have been implemented across all 20 districts of Jammu and Kashmir. An Indian Army soldier was killed during a military operation in the Uri area of Baramulla district. Search operations are currently underway. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference (APHC) has extended greetings to Pakistan on the eve of its Independence Day, with an APHC vice chairman stating that India has no right to celebrate its Independence Day and appealing to people in the occupied territory to observe it as a Black Day. The Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front (JKLF) has condemned a raid by the State Investigation Agency (SIA) on the home of its detained chairman Muhammad Yasin Malik, calling it a political vendetta. A hunger strike by the Congress Party for the restoration of statehood in Jammu and Kashmir has entered its 3rd day. Senior leaders have stated the party is fighting for the rights of the people, which they claim were snatched by the BJP government. The Delhi High Court has asked for police to explain the basis for imposing travel expenses of Rs 4 lakh on jailed MP Engineer Abdul Rashid to attend a parliamentary session. Rashid's counsel argued that the cost amounted to obstructing his public duty. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, has accused the Election Commission of India (ECI) of electoral malpractices. During a protest march to the ECI office, he claimed the commission is afraid of the truth and cannot hide its action. He stated the opposition is fighting to save the soul of the country and the constitution, and demanded a clean voters list. He and other MPs were reportedly stopped by the police from reaching the ECI office.